Hello, and thank you for your time. I will be sharing a few project and business details about Contract Studio in this presentation. Allow me to take you through a short story that I may explain it better. Early railway operations faced a problem with frequent delays. Trains often broke down in faraway places, and the only way engineers could fix them was to travel with long distances with specialized tools to conduct necessary repairs. This problem was solved by the introduction of standardization in nuts, bolts, and tools. After this, local workshops could now stock up universal parts, enabling local engineers to handle repairs in an efficient way. Let's examine this case again. Creating common standards for nuts and bolts and tools resolved the compatibility issue. That led to the decentralization of manufacturing and services. The adoption of the standard ensured growth in the industry that further led to the birth of the Industrial Revolution. Traditional finance and decentralized finance face a challenge with compatibility in financial assets. While we draw parallels to the Industrial Revolution, Actis Financial Research Foundation has identified the building blocks of finance, much like the nuts and bolts in the manufacturing. This taxonomy identifies 24 distinct cash flow patterns, each of these blocks that represents a real world financial asset. Actis claims to have discovered more than 99% of the world's financial contracts applicable in both traditional and blockchain finance. Its algorithms are in the form of open source reference code available on GitHub. While at Contract Studio, we provide modern tools such as block programming with simple, easy to use drag and drop functionalities and AI driven natural language communication with an AI bot and ready to use templates to simplify the adoption of the algorithmic financial standard in real world assets. Tokenization has the potential to redefine how financial assets are created, traded, and managed. We have a basic understanding of tokenization in general, often described using the pizza example, where an asset is fractionalized into multiple pieces. A definition from ChatGPT reads: tokenization is the process of representing ownership rights and value linked to the underlying asset. Financial asset tokenization must be algorithmic, mathematical, if I may, because corporate actions impact contract states. For example, a security token must have an underlying asset or underlying interest rate to model the cash flow. An equity token must be linked to an underlying stock price to produce dividends agreed. An asset backed security, like a loan against collateral, for instance, with collateralized gold or mortgage, must be modeled both with interest rates and changing commodity prices. Contract Studio enables its users to model tokens using algorithmic standards. For our users, we model standardized financial assets on a self service platform on chain, particularly in providing tokenizations and custody services. For clients, we leverage on specialized contract or smart contract technology on blockchains to model financial assets with precision and reliability. We are currently in a POC with a crypto savings app, a leasing finance company, and if it may work well, a trading platform provider. Our project is our product is at a minimum viable stage with early client inquiries and ongoing POC developments. Blockchain integration includes MetaMask wallet integration to showcase smart contract minting capabilities on an Ethereum testnet. We're estimating our first client sign up in Q2 this year. Our roadmap or product goals towards Algorand Startup Lab is to explore integration with a decentralized exchange, that we may place our financial assets in a tradable environment, to identify a solution to resolve the so-called Oracle problem introduced by our smart contracts communicating to external APIs. Other than that, we launched our public beta in January 2025 this year and currently have about 25 plus demo user signups. We're very happy with that. We will be requiring funding in 6 to 8 months to support our blockchain development. We're raising about 300k USD at 2.5% stake with a 1.4 million valuation at the moment. We aim to secure 2 to 3 clients by the end of this year. Here are our esteemed partners who are helping this platform scale up for their fintech and regtech product development needs. We have also partnered with Microsoft to launch banking grade cloud hosting services for our business clients. That was a short summary of what we do and where we are headed in this year. Thank you once again for your time.